Hello, I'm Todd Mixon and welcome to Kersey Ford. One of our service consultants, Ray Winstead, will go over some of the state-of-the-art features in our service department that will make your visit to Kersey Ford quick and efficient.
Here at Courtesy Ford, we use state-of-the-art equipment for servicing your car. Every vehicle that comes through our doors gets an alignment check as well as a tire tread depth check. Using our 100 Quick Check system, we can check your tire tread depth as well as your alignment by incorporating 8 cameras as well as 8 lasers in our system. We also use an automated tire changing system, which allows us to efficiently mount and balance your tires without damaging them. We also have 46 service bays that can handle all your mechanical needs, as well as 10 quick lane bays, which will handle all your light maintenance and service needs. I'm Ray Winstead. Come on down to Courtesy Ford and we can service all your needs.